Hey everybody, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look at the charts right now. These are the one-day candlesticks for Shiba Inu, and we're still trading pretty sideways, honestly, in the last 4 or 5 days. I mean, you can see here we did get as low as the fours here. We did dip down below in the low fours, actually, momentarily on the 4th. That was 4 days ago. We've since popped up nicely. We had a nice day on the 5th. That was Friday. And since then, just slowly kind of trending down, but nothing major. We've really been in this tight range. You can see here, 24-hour low, 5250, and the 24-hour high is the 5900. You know, I'm getting a lot of comments like, Zach, why is SHIB going down? Like the world is crashing, right? Like the sky is falling. Listen, if you're a new investor, I'm talking to you. If you're new to crypto, I'm talking to you. Patience is a virtue, my friends. You have to be patient in this game. Right? Rome was not built in one day or one night, whatever the phrase may be. Patience, patience. There will be another pop here. I do believe, okay? Listen, I said that for months and I probably sounded like a broken record, and then October happened, right? I believe in this project long term, okay? And that's why this FUD that I'm going to address didn't allow me to exit my position just the other day, right? A lot of people exited their positions based on this news. That's why we have a lot of this downturn in the market. We were consolidating here. We got this big sell-off right here on the 3rd, and now we're trying to work our way back off of it, back up from it, because of this FUD right here. I never saw this as a huge issue, but I want to address it because I know a lot of people have concerns over it. I knew it was some type of malfunction. At least that's the way I kind of looked at it from day one, and that's what's coming back to be true, all right? SHIB circulating supply now correct, CoinMarketCap says. CoinMarketCap added that a change was communicated in the same way supply updates for every other coin are done directly on the website, and it was a mistake, right? It was just something that happened. Now, Shiba Inu circulating supply, let me zoom in here for you, see this a little bit better. Shiba Inu circulating supply of about 549 trillion is now correct, CoinMarketCap has said. It comes after this figure was revised sharply upwards in late October from 394 trillion SHIB, which that was this big discrepancy that caused this, little period of FUD. I never sold. I never thought anything of it. I knew it would get resolved. Although this led to the meme coin's market cap increasing by about 10 billion, it sparked fears that the increase in supply could dilute the value of SHIB in circulation. Now, SHIB investors began to demand answers about the change on Twitter. And I, too, wanted answers. Now, listen, I did want to hear from somebody, and we eventually heard from Shytoshi and now finally CoinMarketCap. But it didn't prompt me to sell my position like it did for a lot of others. And I understand that. Maybe some people just took some profits. But I do think this was an instance where it kind of forced people's hands in a way. Maybe they looked at this and got spooked out. But when asked why the circulating supply had been changed, CoinMarketCap said, we received feedback from some of our users that our circulating supply for SHIB was static and not updating dynamically, which prompted an internal audit. After a review, we refreshed the data on the back end, and the figures are now updating dynamically. It bears mentioning that the audit has brought the circulating supply, can't talk today, in line with figures from several other data sources. So there you go. CoinMarketCap added that a change was communicated in the same way supply updates for every other coin are done, directly on the website. There's actually a 42-minute podcast here. CoinMarketCap, they do, I guess, a little podcast here weekly. So you can actually check that out in this article. And there you go. There you have it. So everything is checked out, and SHIB is, trying to resurface a little bit, but still at the 5.4 level. It was right in here yesterday. I'm not concerned. I'm really interested to see here what happens throughout the week. And, one way or another, I do think we're going to get some positive momentum here happening. We are waiting on some big things. The one being Shibarium, right? Shibarium is going to be big. And I don't think a lot of people realize just how big an L2, layer 2 blockchain solution will be. A lot of people complain about gas fees on the Ethereum network. Well, guess what an L2 solution does like Shibarium within the Shiba Inu ecosystem? Doesn't make that a problem anymore, right? Much less of a problem. And so it'll be really fun to watch kind of what happens next. I'm holding steady. I'm going to bring you all the latest. We know we're going to have more news. We always do. We always have something brewing in this Shiba Inu ecosystem. And I'm happy that I have a seat at the table and I'm able to bring you the news each and every day as it relates to SHIB and all other crypto assets. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hopefully you had a great Monday, and I will see you in the next video.